May I help you?
I'm good.
Of course you are.
I'm here to see Dr. Jennings.
Oh, you must be Ro. Go ahead and take a seat and I'll let the doctor know that you're here.
After this, let's go to Fred Siegel's. There's this smoking hot new sales boy. Oh, I want to let him...
Dari, these are our last few days together. You're leaving for Vassar on Thursday.
And you're leaving for Cambodia. Or is it Boston? I don't understand which one it is.
I'm going to MIT to do environmental research in Cambodia. And Ro, what an excellent opportunity for you.
We are going to rule the world. To the charmed ones.
Do the charmed ones need anything? Coffee? Tea?
I'm good.
Of course you are.
So, do you know what's going to happen in the psychological profile?
Not quite sure. The young diplomat program I'm doing has top secret clearance. So I guess I just want to know if I can keep a secret or not be a terrorist.
The doctor will see you now.
Ro, I have not seen you since you were a little girl. Your mom and I were alphas together.
Oh, I didn't know you knew her. I don't remember her very well. She died when I was 3.
Yeah, it was so sad. Come on, sit down. I want you to close your eyes and begin counting backwards, 10 to 1. And as you do this, you feel the chair pressing against your body. And as you feel the chair pressing against the top of your shoulders, you begin to notice that your breathing has become very... That's right. I want you to go back to high school, your graduation just a few weeks ago.
Ro.
Eddie?
Yes? Ro, you didn't deserve to be valedictorian. I've never done drugs in my life and all of a sudden there's Xanax and Adderall in my locker.
And you keep implying I planted it. I didn't.
Maybe one of your minions did it. I don't know. One of the charmed ones.
Just admit, Eddie. You drugged your way to the good grades like all the other math and science geeks at our school. Don't do the crime if you can't do the time.
Which?
Now go back to 9th grade. Who do you see?
Row, your boat.
Oh, shut up, Laura. We're not kids anymore.
But you were like a little kid when you wet your pants in my house, gently down the street.
We're gonna tell everyone when we got to the new school. I would have been the laughingstock of the whole school. Completely unpopular.
Why didn't you ever call me?
Why would I call you?
Well, when your best friend's dad loses everything.
You didn't lose everything.
My dad, the surgeon, loses his hand and the insurance company refuses to settle because he was drunk. And then the whole family has to go and move and live with cousins in Indiana. Yeah, most people would say that's losing everything.
Well, I thought you hated me.
I was just joking. I'd never do that to you.
I didn't know. I'm sorry. I miss you.
I miss you too.
Doctor, it seems that everything good that's happened to me has come because something bad has happened to someone else.
Interesting. Close your eyes. Let's see where your mind takes you. Go back to when you were in elementary school.
Okay. Hey, Felicia.
Hey, Felicia.
Up to your old tricks again?
Up to your old tricks again.
Okay, now stop.
Okay, now stop.
I said stop.
I said stop.
Stop!
I miss you, Ro. You always protected me.
You were always getting us into trouble.
Remember when I snuck into the neighbor's yard to get our ball and their pit bull started chasing me? You made it stop. You saved my life.
I didn't make him stop, he just did, okay? It was weird. But it taught us a good lesson.
Ro, you're the best friend ever. And maybe one day you could be president, and I could be vice president, or the secretary, or maybe one of those cabinet makers. You'd hook me up, wouldn't you?
Of course I would.
Well, that was a much better experience, wasn't it?
It was. I see a woman with her hair in a bun. She's smiling at me. It's my mom. Mom? Say something. Mom?
It's okay, sweetie. Mom will take care of you. I love you so much.
That child is pretty and smart, but inside she no good, I tell you. Her heart was black as coal, and in her eyes you see no good.
What are you talking about?
You know, child. You know what I'm talking about. Dink, dink. You gain from others' misfortune. You're just like your father.
Wait, you knew my dad?
Something like that.
I think that's enough.
No, I want to know more about my dad. I want to go back. I want to go back!
No! No! You have to awaken now!
I don't know what's going on. Whenever I think about it, things go black. It feels dark and sinister. Who was my dad?
I never met him, Ro. But your mom said he was a very special man, royalty of some kind. Now drink your tea.
I feel better.
Good.
How'd it go? I can't seem to remember.
Wonderful. You passed with flying colors. Enjoy your program.
Are you alright?
What the hell's going on in there?
Curls, drink some of your tannis root tea. It'll calm your nerves.
Thank you, doctor.
Please don't forget to sign up right here.
So did anything come out of this?
Not really, but I think I remember my mom's name. Rosemary.